Are you looking to elevate your team's skills to the next level? Welcome to Prodata Science AI Consultancy Private Limited. With over 5 decades of combined hands-on experience in data science, our senior experts have worked at very high levels in financial services. We bring this wealth of knowledge to your organization, ensuring your team is equipped with cutting-edge skills. Imagine having your team proficient in execution skills, training on Python, SAS, or R. Picture them mastering machine learning methods like logistic regression, linear regression, decision trees, random forests, even XGBoost. We don't just teach algorithms, we make them come alive through stories, demos, and simulations. And it's not just about the how, but also the why. Understanding the domain knowledge of the lending business is critical. What are risk, collections, and marketing teams trying to achieve? Our training dives deep into these aspects, giving your team the context they need to apply their skills effectively. But we don't stop there. Our extended training program offers on-the-job support for real-life industrial problems for a predefined period, whether it's 3 months, 6 months, or more. This hands-on experience is invaluable in ensuring the training sticks and is effectively applied in your organization. Flexible delivery modes, we've got you covered. Choose from physical classroom training, online live classes, or e-learning modules. Mix and match to suit your needs, whatever works best for you. So if you're ready to boost your corporate skills with the help of seasoned data science experts, Prodata Science AI is your go-to partner. Visit our website at https://pro-datascience.com/ to learn more and schedule a consultation. Don't just train, transform. Choose Prodata Science AI Consultancy Private Limited today.